Let me guess, your marketing process feels like this, right? Random tasks all over the place, no organization, and constantly wondering, is this even working? Well, you are not alone. We have all been there until we find a solution. And lucky for you, that is why I am here. Hey there, I am Mohammed Nouman, a certified GoHighLevel expert. I help businesses clean up their marketing messes, automate their process, and actually start making things work together. Imagine having one system that takes care of all of your sales funnel, your email marketing, your CRM, your reputation management like magic. I can help you with anything related to GoHighLevel. My list of GoHighLevel services is extensive because, well, if it is GoHighLevel, I have got you covered. While I cannot fit all this in this 90-second video, but here is a sneak peek. Automating all those pesky, repetitive marketing tasks, setting up sales funnel that actually convert, crafting email marketing sequence that don't put your client to sleep, and client onboarding that does not feel like a scavenger hunt. Click the link below to book a call. It's free, and who knows, it might just be the best decision you make today. Well, second to that coffee you had this morning.